Titing is about to lose the game.
Yes.
Wow. Again and again?
Always.
Always losing the game?
Yes. Of course.
Wala kasi ako daw.
Gusto mo kada.
Oy. Fast players. Fast in moving players. Please move. Fast. Fast as the eagle. Oh. 36 minutes. 36 seconds. Oh, you're about to lose na. Oh, you're about to lose. Who is about to lose the game? Oh. Make it pass. Oh, it's already 1 minute. The video is very longer. No one to view if the video is very long. Oh, 1 minute and 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 13 seconds. Mayabi, just seeing your play.
Ano na sitwasyon? Hindi mo surrender?
Ano may as?
Just surrender na, Titing. Oh, she will not surrender because kanina he is losing the game twice. Now is the third time. Wow. Better luck next time or proceed.
This man is no match.
No match?
No match with me.
No match?
Yes.
How sure?
No match.
How sure? How sure?
Check.
Check? Oh, already check? Off ka na, Titing. Basta kill na. Kill kay 2 minutes na. Kill. Kill the game.
No match.
Wow. Lapit na. Oh. It's already 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Make it fast, players.
Bisan nagbulig pa si Karpov, si Kasparov, sige.
I have to get your
Bisan
face.
nagbulig niya pa si Wislislu. Si ano pa?
Wala siya, bro, wala ako pa.
Ano ba bata kay nga?
Kasparov, ah?
Hindi, may magpapabata nga Grandmaster.
Wala siya kung daw.
Wisliso.
Bisan,
You call Wisliso because he's the champion all over the world.
Ano ni?
Pero hindi siya mag-represent sa Pilipinas sa World Tournament.
Is he a Filipino?
Karoon nga
Wisliso is a Filipino or Chinese?
Si?
itanda.
No common sense.
Oh, already 310. Faster.
No common sense.
You just surrender because the video is very long. Surrender. Or else the video will automatically stop. Oh.
Sometimes you must accept your defeat.
Termiro pa lang nga. Pitipit dong. Termiro pa lang.
Primero,
Just a start.
as our big sister.
Oh, you lose 2
Termiro
games
pa lang. Termiro pa lang.
before. This is the third game. Oh.
This is the first time. As her.
Ay, naubos na.
Termiro pa lang.
Dalian na okay, 3.54 na.
Termiro pa lang.
3.54 na. Dali abong. Makakuha ni sa karubo, mapatay na yung automatic, hindi ma-record.
Wala na oh.
Ha?
Wala na
Sunod na yun.
Hmm?
Automatic kill na.
Automatic kill.
Oh, automatic.
Automatic
Sige.
kill.
This is your third loss. If ever. Bubong. At Titing gali.
Kuritiyan ko ni Karo na pantag. Gwen!
Queen.
Gwen!
Where's the queen?
Ah, Gwen.
Your pawn becomes the queen.
Ito pantag ni Karo mo kuritiyan ba?
Tingin.
Check! Check! Ito pantag ni yung kuriti. Check yan eh! Check!
Oh, off ka na.
Kana?
Ah, numove na, numove.
Binigay ito.
Binigay na.
Check! Tapos,
No move na. No move. Kill na.
Only one.
Pakatama ito.
Kill kayo. 5 minutes. 5 minutes already. Dali abong, 5 minutes na.
Only one kill.
Padugay mag-kill. Dali aman bong. 2 moves. Sige,
Only one kill. My God.
2 moves.
Tumobs.
Sige, dali. Dali.
Check.
Te, where are you going? So, 2 moves na. Oh,
Check.
Too much talk. Too much talk.
Check. Where are you going now?
where are you going?
Where are you going
Where
now?
are you?